Let me show you how to find someone or find friends on Venmo. Welcome back to How Janik everyone. The way that you find your friends on Venmo is either through their username, their phone number, or their email address. If you enter one of these options into the search bar, you'll be able to easily find them and add them as friends. So from the Me section on the bottom right of the screen, you can head over to Settings on the top right. Now, depending upon the version that you have of Venmo, you may see the option called Friends and Social, or you also may see the option called Find Friends, which may be on the top of the screen. You just need to find the option which says Friends. Just tap on that option, and on the search bar, just search for, as I said, the username, their phone number or their email address, and their profiles will be visible. Once you find and open up their profile, you're going to see a similar screen like this. You're going to see the name, their username as well, and you can easily add them as friends as well by tapping on Add Friend. This way they'll need to accept you as friends, and you're going to become friends on Venmo as well. So that is the simple way on that you find friends on Venmo. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos in the future.